by its nature, the more individual components you create, you do introduce complexity. So to reduce that actual complexity, you need to make sure that the microservices are well defined and documented and exposed, so you don't get other teams developing something similar. You also want to make sure that you have a rich internal set of APIs or exposure points, but not all of those are exposed to the outside world. And the reason for this is because the more you expose the outside world, the more complexity you have of interacting with your organization, but you also potentially limit the frequency of change. And probably a third one is deciding up front where your data is going to be stored, how you're going to architect the dependencies of transactions, where you're actually going to put data which is made available to individual microservices. So for example, as a school of thought where a microservice should encapsulate its own data, it should have its own data store. But that's really for the running of the microservice as opposed to corporate data which will be exposed somewhere else. So therefore you have to have a mechanism to expose that data in a sensible and easy way.